Hi, I'm Kevin Preston with Boniface Hiers Auto Group, and I'm here to tell you about the Dodge Challenger 2023 Black Ghost Special Edition. The SRT racing seats are wrapped in black Laguna leather with white cross stitching and suede inserts. That's going to allow the bolsters as well as that suede to help keep the driver and any of their occupants firmly planted in that seat as they go around turns and accelerate with the amount of G's that this vehicle can pull. One of the coolest and most iconic parts of this car is the black gator skin roof. It's very unique, and it's something you're not going to see on other Challengers out there on the street. The designers started out with your standard run-of-the-mill SRT Hellcat Red Eye, complete with the Widebody kit, allowing those 11-inch wheels and nearly 12 inches of tire to fit underneath, giving you a proper contact patch to get that power down to the ground. When you're sitting in the driver's seat, one of the things that's going to stand out to you immediately is going to be the nice carbon fiber wrapped center console and instrument cluster. The gauges are a red-faced racing style background. It's an 8.4 inch Uconnect screen, and the Alcantara suede wraps out the door panels as well, giving a nice racing style interior to this absolute performance machine. I hope you enjoyed the 2023 Black Ghost as much as I did. To see other videos just like this, subscribe to our channel, and to see this car, come visit us at Boniface Hiers Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram in Cocoa, Florida.